The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
And welcome to Phil's Gang. Now, normally I start out with one of my cuts that they racked up for me and start talking about, what's going on with the economy. But I'm not today. I want to get one of my producers, maybe Tommy, or to go up on my TV screen and just put tape over where it says breaking news. I'm so sick of breaking news. You look up, because every time you see breaking news, you want to look up, right? It's the same old news. Everything is breaking news. Here we are. Sources. Trump sources, it says. Trump likely to sign compromise and declare national emergency. Breaking news. Is that really breaking news? To me, that's not breaking news. Breaking news would be a cow farted and knocked an airplane out of the sky. Wow. That'd be breaking news. Here's another one. Breaking news again. Trump likely to sign compromise and declare national emergency. Oh, that's the same breaking news. It's unbelievable. Isn't it crazy? Anyways, welcome to Phil's Gang. Let's start out with this.
I've noted with great interest the Green New Deal, and we're going to be voting on that in the Senate. We'll give everybody an opportunity to go on record and see how they feel about the Green New Deal.
He said that with a smirk. He wants to get these socialist Democrats, all of them, on record. He's smirking when he's saying it. He wants to see how many will go on record. It's amazing. Now, you notice what they're doing ever since he said we want everybody on record. We're going to get an up-down vote. They're all saying, "Oh no! This is not a." This is not an idea. No, what do they call it? This is not some agreement. This is not some plan. This is just a way to begin a conversation. And they all say the same thing now. This is how we are beginning a discussion. We have to begin a discussion. And I say, well, are you for getting rid of planes? And the Democrats say, the interviewer says, "You for getting rid of planes?" And they go, "No." And well, are you for getting rid of cows that fart? Oh, no. This is it's so silly that they're trying to back up, and they all must have sat in the room and said, "How do we do this? How do we do this?" Because this is an actual plan she put out there. Now they're all backing up. It is so stupid. Anyways, okay, so the market's up again, 138 points. Not going to last long. The national debt, and this is why, the national debt is now, since 2009, which is at 11 trillion, and thanks to Obama, he almost doubled this thing, but now it's over 22 trillion. $22 trillion of national debt, and there's consequences for this. But you wouldn't know that if you're listening to these jibber jabbers. Now, listen, this is unbelievable today. Remember yesterday how Payne was so excited about the market going up 300 points? And the breaking news, why the market went up 300 points was because they were optimistic because China and the United States may put a trade deal together. Breaking news. You know how long have they been saying that? So the market went up on that. And the other thing the market went up is because they're not going to shut down the government. So in those two things, the market went up like 350 points, 400 points. Wait a minute. What happened to the old days where a market would go up if earnings were terrific? Or capital investment, we get a report. The companies are taking their $17 trillion in profits, and what they're doing is taking 3/4 and investing it back into their company, new equipment, new machinery, so that now wages will increase. The worker standard of living will go up. They will be spending more money, which is 70% of our economic growth. Now, that is good. That'd be terrific, right? But now it's as long as they can come up with some happy news. And then the dollar's going up. And the dollar's going up on the happy news. Now, the problem with the dollar going up on the happy news, that's going to kill the market. Because remember, when the dollar goes up, your Dow 30 stocks, those companies, they don't make money. Because for them to make money, they have to ship their stuff overseas. They have to sell it overseas. And they can't sell it overseas when the dollar's going up. They can't compete. Anybody talking about that? No. You know, they don't talk. They don't tell you much. Now listen to this. This, I couldn't believe this.
Higher wages, higher wages, higher wages. It's just the real story. How much wages have gone up since the tax plan went into place?
Blue collar faster than white collar.
Blue collar up 4 of the last 5 months, faster than white collar for the first time in over a decade. By the way, in the same Gallup poll, 50% had said that their finances improved last year. That's the first time they cracked 50%
How much more money are they making on average? Do you know that?
The percentages, it's well, it depends. The key is the percentage. Higher wages, higher wages.
You notice he wouldn't extrapolate it for her. She said she came out with the right question. She had a good question. All right, I hear 3%, but what does that mean in dollars? He said, well, it doesn't matter. He says it's percentages that are important. No, it's not percentages that are important. It's buying power in your wallet. It's the dollars in your wallet. That's what's important. But he didn't want to come out. He didn't want to extrapolate it. I'm going to do that for you. But just notice how he hid that? And then he comes up and he's talking about the national debt. Listen to this.
You know, it's the spending plan had a lot to do with it, and that was a huge spending plan. There are going to be some deficit busters, like a massive infrastructure.
So they ask him, what about the national debt? Oh, that's spending. They're spending on military. That's spending. That's why the national debt is up. Wait a minute. That's why the deficit is up, but that's not why the national debt is up. The national debt is up because Congress, those cockroaches, spend $10 billion a day. And for every dollar Congress spends, for every dollar Congress brings in tax revenue, they spend $2.06. Yes, for every dollar in taxes that go to the Treasury when you pay your taxes, these congressmen, these cockroaches, spend $2.06 because it's not their money. It's your money, my money. And Congress wastes 43 cents of each dollar it spends. But he's not telling us that. Payne's not telling us that. If we dug up J.P. Morgan, he wouldn't tell us that. And the government's got to borrow $5 billion a day because they spend more than they take in. And the $5 billion a day at 2.6% interest, that means we're paying $405 billion in interest, just in interest alone on a national debt. That will kill you. I don't hear Payne talking about that. Interest on the U.S. debt is projected to total $7 trillion over the next 10 years. You know what that means? That means a couple things. One is your wages over the next 10 years. Okay, over the next 10 years, we'd be down about, with inflation, it's going to be down about $8,000. Also, that $7 trillion, that could be spent on things like roads and bridges. You notice when you go over a road, potholes, no matter where you go. I was going to I-75 the other day. I thought I was going to lose my tires, for God's sakes. The bridges, every time I drive over a bridge now, I stop the car and get the family out, and we put on our life preservers, for God's sakes. Are you kidding? And what about schools? God, schools, you send your kids in, you're scared to death. You're going to have to you got to have these sniffing dogs for bodies because the school may crash. You better have sniffing dogs out. This is ridiculous. $7 trillion. Just think what we could do with that money. Congress spends $10 billion. He says, oh, no, this is about military spending. What are you, nuts? We'll be right back with more truth in our stocks and how well our members are doing.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone, totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated is so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids members at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Right now, it looks like the economy is firing on all cylinders. Higher wages, higher wages, higher wages.
Yep, higher wages, higher wages, higher wages. We're firing all cylinders. Everything's terrific. We're going to take a look at the 3% wage increase. What are you going to do with all that money? And we're going to take a look at the stock market and how it works, or how it's affected, I should say, with the national debt now over $22 trillion. But before that, okay, we're going to go and check on the members, see how well they're doing. And if you recall, by the way, I just started a new little segment. It's free. You don't have to be a gang member. Remember, I just posted a new video, okay, on YouTube. You just go to my YouTube channel, philsgang.com, go to my YouTube channel, and I post these little like 3 to 5 minute segments that tell you what everybody wants to know. Everybody asks, what do you think the market's going to do? What do you think the market's going to do? Always go there, and you'll know. Just like on January 16, 2018, I said the market was going to crash. 2018, I said December, almost a year later, I said it was going to, December would probably be the capitulation month or the worst month. So what I've done now is go to my site, philsgang.com, just go to my YouTube and subscribe to it, where I put up quite often now, almost maybe every day, but not quite every day, but it tells you exactly what you want to know. What do you think the market's going to do? And you don't have to be a gang member. That's pretty neat. So check that out. Also, do you recall on January 2nd, okay, I asked people to join my gang, okay, and we're going to get into the spiders. And then on January 16th and 17th, again. Well, on January 2nd, the spider, and the deal was, I said, why don't you just join? I'm going to ask for 10 gang members and do this experiment with me. I will prove to you, if all you do is the spiders, just listen to what I tell you. When I tell you to buy the spiders, to hold, to sell, to add to your position, or to short, or to run like hell, do exactly what I tell you. At 2 o'clock every afternoon, I post on my site the instructions. If you go by those instructions, you're going to do just fine. Well, the people who did sign up on January 2nd, they have a return of 9%. That's January 2nd. So now, I mean, do you think once you check your 401k, so January 2nd to today, which is February 13th, do you have a 9% gain? I don't think so. Then I said on January 16th and 17th, I think it was, I said, let's do this again. I'm going to prove to you, if all you do is the spiders, all you do is just follow me on the spiders, because what I'm trying to do is get you to donate to St. Jude. But I don't want you to donate to St. Jude unless you're making money. And there's hardly any expense at all to the spiders. Compare the 401k, which is a skimming operation. And most people don't even believe that. Most people think that there's no fees with a 401k, where the fees kill you. So those folks who got in even later, instead of getting on January 2nd, the spiders, they got in on January 16th, 17th, they're up 6%. From January 16th and 17th to February 13th, almost a month. And do you think you made 6% on your 401k in a month? But here's the better thing. You don't have to worry. Like, the market's going up, and I tell you all the reasons why it's not going to keep going up. But we keep buying it, right? Because we don't worry. Because we will be out of this market in time when it's going to correct again, and we'll have our members positioned when it does correct that make money while it goes down. So our members, just staying with the spiders alone, you can sleep at night. You'll make money on the way up, make money on the way down. You don't have to care if the market's going up or down. It works. All I ask is please donate to St. Joe. Just please help the kids. Okay, so today I'm going to ask for another 10 people. I'm going to give you my chart free. It's $30. You get it free. You join the gang, $39.95, and I'm going to do another group. And you can start with the spiders. Now, once you do that, obviously you're a gang member, so you can do all the stocks you want, or you can do the 5 stocks. But I'm suggesting for the first 30 days, you have access to all our services, including the working investor, which are 5 stocks plus the spiders plus bonus stocks. But my suggestion: just stay with the spiders. Let me prove myself. You got to prove yourself by performance, and I think I have since January 2nd, 9% returns, and now we got 6%. If you got in on the 16th and 17th. So they're waiting for your call. Just 10 people. We'll shut it off tonight at 6 o'clock. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. You get your free color-coded MV2 chart, which tells you when to buy, when to sell by the color code, and you'll see me doing that for you. I'll do it for you, okay? But you'll have your chart to go by, and you can see what I do. And it works. All right, 877-600-GANG. I need 10 more people, just like I did in January 2nd, like I did in the 16th, 17th. I'm going to ask for another 10. We close it off tonight. 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Okay, so let's go and take a look at. I want you to think about something. So Charles Payne is all excited, and they asked him, and it's all about wages. Let's talk about wages for a minute. We'll talk about the national debt, but let's go to the wages. The gal asked him an important question. Well, 3%, how much money is that? And you notice how he avoided it? He said, you just want to know the percentages. Of course, you didn't want to extrapolate it because it looks stupid. Because here's the thing. First of all, let's take the jobs. If you work a full-time job at $15 an hour all year long with 2 weeks off, you will make approximately $31,000 a year. $31,000 a year. Those are the quality of jobs that are out there. When you hear him talk about all these great jobs and all these great wages, that's what's out there. Think of it. 40% of all Americans make less than $538 a week. That's $13.49 an hour. That's $28,000 a year. So a 3% increase, that's $16 a week. Wait till I tell you how much food is going up and everything else. Now, 55%. Now remember, 40% of Americans make $538 a week, or $28,000 a year. 55% of Americans make $31,000 a year. So if you're in the 31,000 group, you get a 3% increase. That's $17 a week. If you're 40% of all Americans that are making $28,000, that's $16 a week you're getting. What are you, nuts? They're waiting for your call. Become part of the 10. I need a new 10 group.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. you immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. You're not a regular listener to Phil's Gang? What, are you nuts? Listen to Phil Grandy and check out philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So, 877-600-GANG. I need 10 more people. Like on January 2nd, I had a group. January 16th and January 17th, I'm going to have you follow me just with the spiders. It's going to be an experiment for you. You just follow me on the spiders, and I'll prove to you you'll do much better than ever with a 401k, just the fees alone. So if you joined me on January 2nd on the spiders, that's the 500 best companies in the country. You get a little tiny dividend, not much, but it's a nice, safe investment. And when the market turns around and goes down, we are going to just turn around and trade it, invest it on the way down, just like we invest on the way up. And you haven't got to worry about a thing. We do it all for you. You haven't got to do a thing. You just got to take our instructions. We don't take your money. It's not a portfolio. You don't send me your money. I manage it for you. You hold on your money, and then when I tell you to buy the spiders, you buy the spiders. When I tell you to add, you add. When I tell you to put a stop in, you put a stop in. If you don't know what all that means, you don't have to worry. We'll help you with that. And then when I tell you add to your position, you add. When I tell you to run like hell, you run like hell. And best, when I tell you, whoops, the market's turning around, going back down, let's short it. So these are the returns. 9% since January 2nd, 6% since the 16th and 17th of January. Go check your 401k and see if you made 9% since January 2nd or since 16th and 17th of January, 6%. No, you didn't. Okay, so let's get back to Payne. And everybody's talking about these huge wages.
Blue-collar workers' wages, production and non-supervisory workers, they're up about $50 a week in earnings, and that's about $2,500 a year.
Oh, really? Really?
You've got real wages rising above 3%. Those are big numbers.
Boy, those are big numbers. Now, listen to Payne when he's asked, well, how much is that in dollars, this 3%? Kudlow says it's big, 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 big numbers.
Higher wages, higher wages, higher wages. It's just the real story. How much wages have gone up since the tax plan went into place?
Blue collar faster than white collar.
Blue collar up 4 of the last 5 months, faster than white collar for the first time in over a decade. By the way, in the same Gallup poll, 50% have said that their finances improved last year. That's the first time they cracked 50%
How much more money
are
they making on average? Do you know that?
The percentages, it's well, it depends. The key is the percentage. Higher wages, higher wages.
Boy, and here's why he didn't want to get to that. Because 3%, remember, 40% of all Americans make, okay, now I'm talking about households, individuals. And if you're married, of course, the median household, you put your money together, it's more. But think of it this way. 40% of all Americans make less than $538 a week. That's $28,000 a year. Okay? And that 3% increase, that gives you $16. $16 a week. That's it. 55% are making $596 a week, okay, or $31,000 a year. So you are making, so 3%, you get $17 a week. Really, that's big, big, big wages. But here's the thing. He doesn't mention auto loan delinquencies are the highest since 2012. 7 million people behind 90 days. Why? Because the wages aren't enough. And when you have the debt, national debt going up, what does the national debt do? It kills wages. It suppresses wages. He won't tell you that. No mention. Banks are expecting to tighten, or they are now. Banks are tightening lending standards. Why? Because they have so many people that are defaulting on their loans. Auto loans alone, while credit cards. 7 million people behind 90 days. But he's saying everything's wonderful. Are you kidding me? And they're going to tighten up on business loans. They're going to tighten up credit cards, jumbo mortgages. They are tightening up on everything. Well, wait a minute. I thought the things were wages, wages, wages. See, Payne also failed to mention why. Why are they tightening? Because the economic outlook going out looks terrible. It looks like our economy, instead of growing at 3%, is going to grow at 1.8% next year. The economy's not growing. Why? Because there's too much debt, both national and personal debt. He doesn't mention that. And he also doesn't mention there has been a weaker demand for business loans this year, the backbone of the economy. And there's more small businesses closing their doors than opening. That's never happened. The foundation of our economy is the middle class. It's disappearing because of these terrible wages, because they're taking our best jobs and outsourcing them. No mention. Weaker demand for construction and land development loans. People can't afford. That's why, remember, one of the biggest red flags that the market's going to go back down is housing starts. They're terrible. Durable goods. Terrible. Those are big ticket items like machinery and so forth. You look out for and say, how many loans, how many orders have they gotten? Because you got to look out 6-7 months. And the orders are diving. Terrible. Here's the other thing he doesn't mention. 3% wage gain is eaten by 2% fake inflation. Real inflation in this country is 5.3%. But let's use the fake 2%. Because remember, they never want to get above 2% or they have to pay cost of living to all the people on Social Security. So they lie. Also, if inflation starts going up, the dollar starts going up. That means it kills our economy because our big Dow 30 companies, they can't sell goods overseas. No mention that health care, Obamacare inflation rate is 5 to 12% per year. Oh, by the way, the 3%, you still have to pay your taxes on the 3%. That's not net. So you've got health care that's far more than 3%, 5 to 12% a year, depending which state you're in. No mention that food inflation's 3 to 4%, wiping out that 3%. No mention cost of college has gone up 4% a year, more in some cases. No mention car insurance is up over 5% a year and more, depending on the state. Wait a minute. What's he talking about? Wages, wages, wages. And weren't we told by Larry Kudlow?
You've got real wages rising above 3%. Those are big numbers.
Unbelievable. So look, you got to make some money. You're not going to make it in 401ks. I need 10 people. I just told you. All I ever ask you is to judge me on performance. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-GANG. And here's my performance. My performance is when I told you to join the gang and follow me in this experience just for 30 days, and you don't have to do anything. At 2 o'clock, or of course it's archived at any time, you go in and you get your instructions what to do with the spiders and do exactly what I tell you to do. Since January, we're up over 9%. On January 16th and 17th, when I asked for 10 people in both those days, we were up 6%. 6%. So I'm trying to get another 10 right now. 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. It works. Judge me by my performance and then help the kids. Also, he didn't mention, the U.S. government net worth is at a negative $20 trillion. U.S. citizens' net worth, a negative $60 trillion. Negative $60 trillion. He doesn't mention that. Didn't mention 102 million people without work. No mention 33% of Americans are in this situation of having negative net worth. 33% of the Americans have negative net worth. Doesn't mention. No mention if you have no debt and have $10 in your pocket, you have more wealth than 33% of all Americans. No mention. He doesn't mention any of this. See, this guy he must be the designated cheerleader for Fox. They never get down and tell you what's really going on. I do. And we don't care if the market goes down because we're going to make money. They're waiting for your call right now. It's free. The chart.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated, so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated, but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated, so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated, but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone. Totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude. Learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
They introduced the so-called Green New Deal. It sounds like a high school term paper that got a low mark.
He's correct. Okay, I'm running out of time. 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. As I did with the other 30 people, we did 3 groups of 10. January 2nd, and I have them just following the spiders. They're up 9%. January 16th, January 17th, 10 each. Those folks are up 6%. Now, I can't tell you every gang member, everyone that joins up is up 6% or 9%, because I don't. Some get in later. Okay, I don't know. But if they followed my instructions, okay, and they followed the team's instructions that we post every afternoon at 2 o'clock, and it's archived so you can look at any time. If you follow those instructions on the spiders, you will do unbelievably well, much better than a 401k. Just judge me on the performance I'm doing, that's all, and it works. And it's frustrating for me because I know it works. And most of you think your 401ks are just terrific things. What's going to happen that's right, I'm the guy that's grumpy and negative. Well, I'm sorry. That's being truthful. I'm going to tell you the truth what's going on. When you hear this kind of stuff, if this was what you want to hear, this is it right here.
You've got real wages rising above 3%. Those are big numbers, really big numbers.
Do you really think, again, and people don't understand, that those are the majority of the jobs? You're talking $17. That's it. And they don't mention, and Payne doesn't mention, that families, both the husband and wife, are working hard as they can. And many of them, we have a historic number of people holding 2 and 3 jobs. He doesn't mention that. And every day, more Americans are losing their spot in the middle class because the middle class is shrinking because the jobs are going overseas, the good-paying jobs. And what's happening, because of that, people have been pushed into government dependence. It's at an all-time high. We've never seen so many people, how many households are dependent on the government. 49% of all Americans now live in a home that receives some government help. And they tell us everything is fine? 3%? What are you, nuts? Go to the movies and order a bag of popcorn, for God's sakes. But who wants this to happen? The liberal Democrats. I told you, just like they want open borders, they thrive on people's misery. If they can make you poor, think about Detroit, think about Chicago. For years, the liberal Democrats have been in charge, and people suffer and suffer. But they get reelected. They get reelected. You wonder, how do they get reelected? How do you get reelected? Because the Democrats thrive on people being poor because they want you to be dependent on them. Why do you think Obama, why do you think he went into Obamacare? He knew Obamacare was going to be a killer. He knew it was going to hurt people. And he came out, oh, Obama, look what he did. He put 27 million people who didn't have insurance on insurance. But what about the 147 million people that lost their insurance? Or their premiums went through the roof? Oh, they don't talk about them. They only talk about the 22 million or 27 million people that didn't have insurance. Now they got insurance. They need poverty to win elections. And why do you think people lost the House? Why did I want you to think for a minute. Let me give you the number. 877, people are emailing me what the number is. 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Only 10 spots, just like the last time, to follow me in the spiders, okay? 10, that's it. So please call now. It closes down at 6. But I want you to think about this for a moment. The Democrats, they want open borders so they can bring more people in because they know if Americans become mobile, they can start moving up the ladder. So they want to get rid of the middle class. No socialist nation ever survives with a middle class, and our middle class is being destroyed by taking the high-paying jobs and shipping them overseas. All we got are these lousy jobs. I'm not making these numbers up. What's the number? I just gave you the numbers. 40% of the people. Okay, think about this. 40% of all Americans are making $28,000 a year. That's a lousy $538 a week. 55% of Americans are making $31,000. That's $596 a week. And the 3% raise, they get $17 a week. This is nuts. This is crazy. And no mention about how small businesses are getting destroyed. Why, if things were so good, wages were so good, why did Trump stop the interest going up? Why did he jump in and say, no, we got to stop. We can't keep running these interest rates up. People are getting killed. The market is falling. Does that make sense to you? If things were so good, would he have done that? Of course not. But these people come on TV every day and just bold-faced lie to you. And they call me negative? Well, one thing about me, I'm going to tell you the truth. And the truth is we don't care, other than for the economy and for people. As investors, we don't care if the market's going up or down. We don't have to care. Because with the same ease that we buy stocks, with the same ease when the market goes down, we're selling stocks. And when you become a member and just try this for 30 days, and you can follow me on my color-coded chart that you get free. You get the color-coded chart free. It's $30. It's yours. It's free. I give it to you. Just follow me for 30 days, and I'll prove these returns are there. Here's another thing. He never mentions, these guys never mention at all, that if wages are going up, then why, according to the Census Bureau, 49% of all Americans, again, have to have, that live in a home, that has to have some sort of government assistance? Doesn't that alone tell you? He stopped interest rates from going up. 49% of the homes in this country has to have the government bailing them out. But you know, and this is why the Democrats hate Trump. They hate him, okay? Because he destroys the Democrats, their plan. Here, look at the Democrats. Think about this. The Democrats got the House back. Why do you think they got the House back? Why? Because people want free stuff. That's why they got the House back. They want free stuff. They want help because they're not making money. Once they decide to turn our economy from a manufacturing economy to a financial service economy, this country was destroyed. That was in the 70s. They destroyed this country. Then they started to take all the good jobs and export them. Then they got rid of the unions. That nobody's representing the middle class person. When we had unions, the middle class person had somebody in there fighting for them, made sure they had a pension. Pensions were a wonderful thing, not like the 401k. That 401k is trash. Pension was a wonderful thing. You had one of the, if you had a pension, a company had a pension for you. They had to go out and pay big money for a good manager. And that pension manager, he got paid on performance. Your 401k guy doesn't get paid on performance. He doesn't even know what day it is. These 401k managers couldn't even trade for themselves to make any money. And they're supposed to make money for you? Now, the consequences, think about this. The deficits right now, they're spending in 2018 $779 billion more than they took in. Now it's going to be $1 trillion more than they take in. That's called a deficit. The consequences of the deficit are terrible. That means wages shrink. The economy can't grow. That's why they had to stop raising interest rates. When you have deficits where the government is spending $1 trillion more they take in, they don't care. They don't care your wages are going down. The Democrats love that your wages are being suppressed. They love it. That's how they won the House. Because if your wages being depressed, you're looking for a handout. Or not just, you're looking for help, I should say. And there they are, the Democrats. And now they're going to kill the cows that fart, and they're going to take the airplanes out of the sky so you can't even go visit your folks on the holiday. 877-600-GANG. It stops at 6 o'clock. My chart is free. You got to join the gang. $39.95.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.